All right, so I want to give you a quick walkthrough of how to use the Quick Review theme. Now, first off, you'll want to download it from this page, and then you'll want to come into your WordPress, go to Appearance, come to your themes here, and hit Add New. And then up here, we would click on Upload Theme. And then you just simply want to choose that zip file that you just downloaded, and then just hit Install Now, and then activate it. Now, there's a couple options that come with the Quick Review theme. So once you've activated it, you'll see it in the left-hand menu here under Quick Review. And you can see some of the options that we have here. Let me zoom in a little bit. So we have the option to put a custom logo. So you just simply hit Upload here, choose your logo, and you're all set to go there. You can also choose whether or not to show the title on the page, title on the post. So if I come up here and I just go to one of these pages, you can see that right now the title is showing. So if I come back in here and I turn the title off on a post and click Save, and I refresh the page, the title is now gone. In most cases, you'll probably want the title. We also have the comments, and then the show related posts. Again, if I come back here and scroll down to the bottom, you'll see it's showing 3 related posts. So I can choose whether or not to show that, and I can also choose how many I want to show. We have a spot for your tracking code here, so you can pop in your Google Analytics code or whatever tracking you use. And then you can also change the footer text, which is just what is shown down here at the bottom. So that's pretty simple there. We also have the styling options. So we have the default, which is blue, and we can also go red. If I save that, and I'll come up here and refresh the page, you can see now it switches to a red layout. So you have the blue and the red. You can also change the body font. So any of the body text here, all of this, you can change that with the body. And then also what font is used for your heading tags. And then you can turn the product ratings on or off, which again are just the our rating here. You can turn those on and off as well. And then if you have some custom CSS you want to put in there to change up the colors or what have you, we have a spot for that as well. Then we have the options to change all of the different text that's used on the page. So we have the title, link color, link hover, and then of course you can change all those heading sizes as well. And then we have a spot for the header banner, which is shown right up here. You want to go, I guess, depending on how big your logo is, you usually want to go about 468 on the width for the banner. So if you wanted to do an Amazon one, you would simply log into your Amazon Associates account, go to banners, and then instead of actually inserting the code itself, you would just save the image they're using and then get your affiliate link and pop that in there and hit save change. You can use any type of banner you want here. Again, you just upload the image, put in the link you want, and you're all set to go. And lastly, we have the mobile options. So you can you can disable the responsive, you can disable mobile if you want to. In most cases, you just want to keep those there. If you do expect a lot of mobile traffic, you can put in an actual mobile logo, which here kind of tells you it should be smaller, because obviously on a mobile phone, you want it to be smaller. And then you can also change the colors as well. So really then the only other option is if we go to posts here and we click on one of these posts, if we scroll down to the bottom here, we will see some options. So we can enter in our affiliate link, and if I go to the home page here, your affiliate link will be right here for the visit website now. So that's if you put in an affiliate link, that is what will be linked. And then you can also put in your star rating. Anywhere from 0 to 5, you can rate it, and that's what's going to show up on the rating there. So you want to go ahead and do that for your posts. You can also do the full page, which I would actually urge against, because you really want your recent posts and your widgets to show over there. And same with the custom widgets. You don't need to use those. You can just simply go to widgets, and any widgets you want, just put those in the primary widget area, and those will show up on the side. So again, pretty easy to use. It'll set your site up very, very nicely. So go ahead, install that, put in your own logo, make any necessary changes you want, and you're all set to go.